Now this is just reflecting the long-term and short-term changes that the computer is making based off of the O2 sensor data. So we can see here that on bank 2, we have a negative value, as well as on bank 1, we have a negative value. They're all negative values, which means we're subtracting fuel as a percentage. So we can see on bank 1, we have a long-term value of 16%, whereas on bank 2, we have a long-term value of only 2%. Pretty good indicator that our problem is going to be on bank 1. Alrighty, you can see here we're at 100 PSI, and we are losing 25% on this cylinder. Hard to tell on camera. There we go. That angle's a little bit better. See those deep gouges? If your car overheats at all, I mean, even just a little bit, the aluminum cylinder head expands at a different rate than the valve seat. On the 3.7 and 4.7s, they use a powder metal valve seat, and they're junk. They are known for dropping out of the cylinder.